So I hope you guys are having a great day today. I will be doing like a couple same things of this really cool kinetic sand trick. So first you're gonna press down the sand. And then I'm gonna use this tool and I'm gonna press it down on the sand and it makes these really cool patterns. Okay, so now I'm gonna use this tool. I'm gonna press it down into the sand. I'm gonna pull up and I'm gonna use this tool. I'm gonna slide it like this. Now I'm gonna put my finger in and I'm gonna push out and then it makes this really cool cube thing. Now I'm gonna do it on the other side. And sometimes it falls out, but that's okay. I don't know why I wiggled. And then you can make like this really cool masterpiece when you're done. But when you do, you can make holes and it comes out like this. Now, and you can maybe do it like this even. Like that was cool. And then you come out with all these cool blocks. And it's super satisfying. You press it down and you just pull up. And it works with basically any sand color. Just I'm using pink. And that is my cool trick that I wanted to show you guys. Thanks for watching. And make sure to subscribe to Daddy Kids TV.